Big up Crosses TV.
I'll be a crosses you have over your master.
I mean, yo, the man made me laugh to my wheat, brother. Junkie said, check my shoes. When Junkie looked down, Junkie not find the shoe.
Pussy I'm talking about, but it's talking about my artist that by fine at our phone, my yo.
Oh,
But they have this two of them in the car. I'm going to take my man a car. I ain't a drink anything. No fucking man.
Digga. Digga, you
No,
see what my
I'm
man go? Junkie said, check my shoes. Chucky, what you done, Chucky? The girl them love you, Chucky. Chucky said, check my shoes. And just I realized the shoes down the road in the back line. You need to wash your foot. Put the foot back on.
Oh, look at the pitchy patchy.
Chucky.
Bleaching's do it, mama.
Remember, check your foot back down.
Oh,
Oh, you're pretty star. Where you come from? So my artist like Digga, she me tell about go Digga. So I'm gonna start making run the thing them, you see me?
I mean,
Big Digga. You look pretty. I said, me I come from, I love my call a couple islands, something for me and you because catch your draws, I sprinkle the blood clot help and that.
The blood clot, they didn't say at 7 at bedtime now for weeks. I know. I'm gonna
You're so
start
pretty.
wearing this red lipstick. Girl,
You're so pretty. I think you should Digga from 2019 if you launch your eyeliner and lipstick, you know. If you launch your highlight right now, your lipstick, me not ask the girl them I go buy Digga. From 2019, you have the business there for launch. Well, me understand you have a lot to go on. I have wipe a shit there. Hey, bum, hey, girl, move now.
Oh, why would
Jazz and give me your back shot. Sing it, Digga, sing it. Catch it, Jazz, and give me your back shot.
one fuck boy, you walk at your I want is that up. Yes, boy, could do the other. Gunman, me up going straight up, no other.
Pull up and start it back, bumbo. Let's go. I'm reaching at the
I'm like you said, tell him to let him come. You know, and bring the whole blood at Africa and Bronx.
Come, now, start now. Go. Sing my song, no bumbo. Let's go.
All
Come.
boy, fuck a no, yes, why could do the act? No, that gunman me a going straight up. No, that pretty brown in him a friend pan that rich scammer boy back in the voila. Come man, me a take you all of that. Yeah, why them other girl a trash?
Yeah.
Something like funny chipper it that's something like Henny bus in a me head some more. But catch
Come on, Chucky. Samantha the funny. Samantha say for wine. Yeah, wine to Samantha. Sing, Digga, sing.
Hey boy, me not going for that. Oh, you walk a chair.
What again?
Last turn of you.
Yeah.
Catch it.
Bumbo clad, Chucky have a rock. You know, so Chucky get. Yo, make sure to follow Gold Digga. Stream the song. Don't just stream it and follow her. Tag us so we know it's real. Tag both me and her in the song. Cause the song is bad and listen to me. Enough of the boy them a catch it up and
but look.
But in front, girl, them remember say Digga do our video the other day and showing our front for clean. Near on the front. Clean in the front.
Man, them
Right, son.
The pussy clean.
Alright, the song. Big up Busted Records straight.
Busted.
Anywhere I'm there. Any ground. Anywhere I'm there. Anywhere. Any ground.
Right.
Busted Records and that was set.
I
Love you, Digga.
Call me tomorrow.
5%. Mwah.
Alright, sweetie. Bye-bye.
Alright, baby. Make sure y'all follow my friend and stream her song. Cause that's how we do it. Yes, Lobby tell them to clean them front. Tell the girl to clean them front. Hey, Run City up on the live from about 2 or no we do it. So the live and me not like me if you follow back Run City. Well I'm following the back right now. Oh you follow back please. You said report. Remove black. Me have to wait till I come and follow live to follow them. Me have follow back Run City of Black Nation. No, Run City House of Black Nation. They always come from my live and support me. And now I'm on the live for with their Saint Mary. The song name Catchy Jazz. Yard Vibes TV. Remember say Big Back Blood Clot TV. Remember say on the station goes on the station grainy. The color rainbow something come up on the screen. Can't chat to me. Yard Vibes TV. Big Back TV.
Black or white?
Coffee TV, big up. Me, I saw me a Yard Vibes TV, a bumbo clat, a 7-day records that. Big up 7-day records, yeah. Shout out to Crabs. Shout out to all of the thugs, them, all of the dog, them. Listen to my shadow band, me, I forgot try follow them, make sure not follow me. And me lose the contact, them, and so run up back the contact. But make sure someone follow 7-day records, yeah. Big up Crabs, the real dog. I use the phone artist, yeah, the phone I'm on right now. If I never my dog on a me so good. Yeah. Alright. So we'll give appreciation when it's due. Respect it. Big up yourself 7-day records. Girl phone in a record mash up in Florida where they there on the dog them and the dog just pull up. Not a big fat ride. Bag. Buy girl phone cash. Unlock right away. Phone bill paid everything. I owe them 7 blood clot there. The name of the song is Catchy Jazz and the artist is Gold Digger. I bet somebody gonna say how good that's my back. Yeah, continue. I'm born dance. Big up Bingy, Crabs, Cash Flow. Alright, so I them know from 7 days records. Big up the other dog them from the record they will not get familiar to her know about, but it's the Crabs and Bingy. No pussy test. MPT.
No pussy test.
I remember them man that do 69. I want to do some pussy.
Over the place. Love it. Fuck to them, man.
Huh?
Over the place.
Bad girl, Dovey.
Yeah, sitting in bad alive. Go be good. Hey.
None of them can grab me on my collar. I miss a deep throat. Make the whole of them a follow. Me sucky bars, them a guggle and me swallow. She a call up me name, I can't bother. She still a chatter. But what a style, yeah. If a girl violate, well, I shatter. Catch him back on your head just like a cutter. If you're this sucky and a sucky, mother. No boy can't find panakacha. Clean to your pussy, make him run, go tell your mother.
Tell your mother, boy.
Headshot. 7 days. Some pussy got 2 days. Blood clot. You know, it's like you first started laughing in that bumbo clot like I'm fire 3rd shot, you go so booming on.
You know how much it is, man? Hey, ladies, I need girls that wear these type of shoes, okay? Louis Vuitton and bloody shoes, okay? And Louis Vuitton bag and Louis Vuitton phone case. So, yeah. Just do the right thing. Louis Vuitton or Chanel.
Never shut a man. Tell them lad, man.
That real shit, it don't Land on the side. Land on the
What you say when the fake one them land on the side? That one
Mama,
they land
land
on
on the side. You see reshit them. Land on it.
step-ins.
Stepping.
Anyways, I love you guys so much. I got 3%. Make sure you guys continue to stream Betrayal, and I have new music coming. Mwah.